Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you add money in Remitly. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Remitly and then log into your account. So I just logged into mine account. So once you're done with that, what you're going to do here is if you want to add money, there are a couple of ways how we can do that. So firstly, what we can do, just on your click on your profile on your top right here, and then get to settings option. So when you get to settings option here, okay, so when you get to settings option here, under settings, you'll see an option called payment methods. So click on payment methods and then scroll down and you'll see an option called add new payment methods. So click on it, and then here you'll have two ways where you can add money or payment to your Remitly. One is by card. So if you're using card, you're by using a bank card or your bank account details, three account details. So these two options. If you're using card, then select card and then put in your card numbers, your card details here, your card number and all those stuff, and then hit on save. Or else if you're using your bank account, select your bank account and then plug in your account number and name and all those details and then hit on save. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you add payment or you add money to your Remitly account. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.